Hi, Dad.
Hi.
How was the drive? What do you think?
Wonderful. Slept well.
What do you think of the view?
It's fantastic.
Yeah? Pretty good?
Yeah. I think you should walk up there to the top of that one and wave at me.
I'll walk this way. There's another 223 shell. Not ours, by the way. It's firearms archaeologists going on. Alright. Well, it's no fun looking at me. Let me show you this. Alright. Walking up. Alright, so there's our view. That's what we wake up to. Got Long's Peak over there and mountain stuff and all that good jazz. So let's see, down at the bottom, I don't know if you can see, there's roads over there, and then I'll just zoom around here. Here he comes.
Doesn't that look like a grain of wood?
Yeah. So there's our Jeep, our tent. Set that thing up in the dark. This battery's almost out, but I'll wrap this thing up. Couple dirt bikes going around. And we'll see you later.